Do you love pasta but worried about the carbs? I totally get it. That's why I made this recipe for Vegan Pasta Primavera, and every spoonful of this bright spring dish has your macros in check. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips and nutritional analysis. Now let's make this vegan balanced meal. First thing we need to do is soak the raw cashews in hot water. Prep your parsley, and now we're ready to also prep the veggies. All of these have been washed, so we're going to cut the asparagus about 1 inch in length, just like the penne. Let's do 2 bunches so it's a little bit more manageable. All right, so we're going to cut off the ends here. I'm going to line up the asparagus, and we're going to separate the tops from the bottoms, okay, because they have different cooking times. Now we'll do the sugar snap peas, and we're going to snap the ends off, and maybe that's why it's called a snap pea, and try to get the string fiber if you can. There we go, like that. So it's not always gonna happen like that, but just do the best that you can. Now let's cut the snap peas in half. That should be smaller than the penne. If you want to get fancy, you can cut them on the bias like this. Here's a cup of packed parsley. Don't be afraid of the herbs. We're just going to chop them up real small as best as we can. When you're chopping up fresh herbs, make sure your herbs and your surface is dry. Rinse the chopping board. Don't worry about drying it. And we're going to cut up the onion in small dices. Last thing to prep the veggies is the edamame. It's frozen, so we're just adding hot water, just like peas. Now for the pasta, go for whole wheat variety. You're looking for the stamp by the Whole Grains Council to guarantee that you're getting 100% whole grain. This packaging right here does not have that stamp, so it's not as nutritious, but this will ensure that you're maximizing your fiber and your protein. Tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of onions. Saute that a bit until they get soft and translucent. That looks pretty good. Let's add our asparagus, just the stems, not the tops. Saute that until it turns bright green. Here's the boiling salted pasta water. I'm adding about 1/8 cup of whole grain penne, and I'm going to just stir that up. This pasta takes 10 minutes to cook, but I'll set the timer for 5 minutes so we can grab some pasta water and make our sauce. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and add the tops and the sugar snap peas because they have about the same cooking time, and the garlic. All right, that's 5 minutes. Let's turn that off. And I'm going to add a cup of the pasta water into the blender. I stirred up the pasta in the pasta water so they are not sticking to the pot. Add the strained cashews and 1/2 cup of the nutritional yeast and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. All right, let's whisk that up. Just checking for doneness here. That sugar snap pea is delicious. It's really sweet. This is about ready. Let's add our penne. There we go. And our sauce here. Then our edamame. And let's go ahead and stir that up. And lastly, our parsley. There we go. Ooh, looks like springtime to me. This is a complete dish, so we can have 2 cups of this pasta dish. Voila, that is a serving. And we can add a lemon here and zhuzh it up with some fresh cracked pepper. I'm hungry. Oh my gosh. This tastes so bright thanks to the lemon, and I love all the colors. It's very much spring. It's protein packed 22 grams and about 12 grams of fiber. I hope this Vegan Pasta Primavera has inspired you to eat for your body and the planet by adding more veggies to your rotation. Let me know how your version turns out in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week. And remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.